In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use several different formulas in one Excel table column. Open Excel on your desktop, then open the workbook you have. Once the table is visible, go to the commission column and click the first cell under the new header. This is cell D2. Now enter the standard formula for the column. Type equals open square bracket at sales close square bracket times 2%, then press enter. Excel applies the formula and automatically fills that same calculation down all 6 rows in the table. That is calculated column behavior, and it is the behavior we are about to work around. Next, click back into cell D2, the top row for the enterprise license entry. Enter a different formula for this row only. Type equals open square bracket at sales close square bracket times 3%, then press enter. Excel treats that new entry as the formula for the whole commission column, so it overwrites every other row with the 3% calculation. That is the problem to undo. Look near the change cell for the small lightning bolt icon that appears after Excel autofills the column. Click that icon, then choose Undo Calculated Column. This keeps your 3% formula in cell D2 while restoring the original 2% formula in the rest of the column. Now confirm that the formulas coexist. Click cell D2 and look at the formula bar. It should show equals open square bracket at sales close square bracket times 3%. Then click cell D3 and check the formula bar again. This row should show equals open square bracket at sales close square bracket times 2%. Add one more override to prove the pattern repeats. Click cell D5, the Enterprise Renewal row. Type equals open square bracket at sales close square bracket times 2.5%, then press enter. If Excel tries to push that formula through the commission column, use the same control again. Click the lightning bolt icon, then choose Undo Calculated Column. At this point, the commission column has 3 different formulas in the same Excel table column. Most rows calculate at 2%, the Enterprise License row calculates at 3%, and the Enterprise Renewal row calculates at 2.5%. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Each of those cells can now be edited independently without Excel forcing the formula across the entire column.